Dear student, I welcome you in Oil City or Thar City by Government Engineering College family. This college was started in year 2018, or if we talk in terms of recession, then it was started on 2018-19 with 5 branches. The branches cater the need of the Bardmer city because this city is known as the oil city. So basic emphasis given by the government of Rajasthan that whatever the BTech courses are conducted in the engineering college Bardmer are petroleum based and the other which is relevant to this field. So the main branches are petroleum engineering, the civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics and communication engineering. These are the 5 branches which started, and being a new institutions, we got very wonderful response from the student by taking admission in our institute, and the petroleum branch is full, means the complete 60 seat is allotted, means the total intake of the per year is 300, out of which 5 branches is divided into 60 seats in each branch. So we are getting the very whelming response in petroleum engineering branch especially because it caters the need of the petroleum industries. And another is very important things which we have, that the petroleum engineering branch fulfill the requirement not only the CAMS and its subsidiary industries, but also fulfill the requirement of the refineries also, because the refinery is very close to the Bardmer. So whatever the graduate pass out from our institutes are probably observed by either the refineries, either by the energy hubs, because this district is very sound in terms of oil, in terms of coal, in terms of solar energy, in terms of the wind. So it is blessed by God in terms of energy resources. So the Bardmer city is known as the energy city also. And we are very much thankful to the government of Rajasthan that the technical education government of Rajasthan declared as a center of excellence in energy for this engineering college Bardmer. So it is very pride moment for us that the technical education also praise our efforts in the right direction. So everybody is very keen, and they see, because they have a lot of expectation from our sides that whatever this upcoming institution coming, it caters the need not only the Bardmer district but the whole state as well as the whole country. Then the faculty, because this institute is our academic building is under the progress, and probably it is finished and we take over from the RSRTC in July 2021. So our structure is almost completed, but finishing work is going on. And the faculty which we have, they are very good, and they are from the IITs, from the NITs, or from the reputed institutions having a lot of experience. So we are not lagging in terms of faculty. As far as the lab part is concerned, because we are in process to procure the goods or the equipment, lab equipment students, and definitely in coming days we establish a very good infrastructure in our institutes. This is the just because we have the 45 biga of land allotted to us by the government of Rajasthan, and our second, the building, that is the administration building, is given to the CPWD instead of RSRDC. So the work is initiated within a week. As far as the achievement of this institution, because this is a 2-year baby, so in 2 year span, because I have joined in as a principal in this institute from August 2019, and I have completed 1 year and approximately 2 months, and our achievements are more than that. So, as far as the branches are concerned, we discuss with the industries and the refineries. So they just give the suggestion that if it is possible, then you open 2 new branches. One is chemical and another is computer science in artificial intelligence and machine learning. And we requested our technical education minister, the secretary, ma'am. So they give permission to go ahead, and we requested with the vice chairman, Professor M.P. Punia ji, and we are very much thankful to Professor Punia sir. So they understand our need and they give the permission. So from this year, session 2020-21, we started 2 new branches. One is the chemical engineering and another is the computer science engineering in artificial intelligence and machine learning. These two are very advanced courses. Only few institutions are running these courses in the state of Rajasthan. So now we have 7 branches. Being a new institution, it is very good, or it's a remarkable things for our institutions. As far as the other facilities are concerned, we initiate the process, we prepare the proposal as a considering the special case, because we are in Thar desert, we are very close to the international border, and keeping in these 2 major points, we prepare proposal, we send to the Ministry of Defence for sanctioning the NCC unit in our institutes. So we are very much thankful to the authorities either in Badmer related to the NCC, either in Jodhpur and Directorate Jaipur and Ministry of Defence. So we have received the permission to open the NCC center in our institution. So it is a collective efforts. We are doing very good with our faculty. Our staff will always support me to do new things every day. As far as the NSS part is concerned, National Service Scheme, so it is the another kind of the extracurricular activities and very essential for the students, those who are doing their BTech curriculum. So if they complete their NCC certificates as well as the NSS certificates at the time of employment, they give the credit of this. So on the basis of that, they got either the entry in officers level in defense, either in army, either in navy, either in air force, or some other places where NSS also play a very important role, because these two serve the nation as well as the society. In a span of 2 years, we done more than 4 MOUs with MNCs, multinational companies. One is with the KN Energy, KN and Vedanta Energy Private Limited. So exchange of technology is carried out. The engineers come in our institutes to deliver the talk to the students, those who are doing the BTech in the petroleum engineering or in the chemical engineering. they always give support either in terms of academic, either in terms of the practical exposures. Our students do the industrial visit to see what are going on, and after completing their BTech curriculum, how they work in the industry. So the real experience is done with through these MOUs which we have. So academic MOUs we have done with this. So summer internship is a very big challenge, because summer internship is not a challenge in terms of the duration is concerned, but as far as the MNCs is concerned, multinational companies where the student got the exposure, it is very difficult to absorb the each and every student in our institutes are directly approaches to the MOUs MNCs, so they get benefited during the summer internship. So 2.5 months or approximately 2 months they stay in the industry and get the exposure. The another MOU with the JSW, Jindal group. So they are very much in terms of the thermal energy, the solar energy, and in the mining also. So these authorities are very cooperative, and after doing the MOU with the JSW, our this MOU is done in presence of the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Sri Ashok Gehlot Sahab, Minister of Technical Education, Sri Subhash Garg Sahab, and the Higher and Technical Minister, Sri Pawan Singh Ji Bhatia Sahab, and Secretary Ma'am, Mrs. Suchi Sharma Ji, were also present in at the time of MOU, and we have done the MOU in Jaipur in HR Conclave. So after doing the MOU, the regular interaction take place with the CANS and JSW. And another milestone in the history of this institute, that the JSW and Engineering College Badmer doing the collective efforts to establish a center of excellence in energy is supported by the JSW, and it is almost done in presence of Honorable Secretary Technical Education Government of Rajasthan. So it is a very special moment for us being a new institutions, because our span is not long. So in a 2 year of span, it is really a wonderful achievement for we have done, and we have done means the collective efforts we have done with the faculty, staff, and we achieved this target. The next is RLT Skill University conduct a very different kind of the certificate course, PG courses, or special trainings. So we do the MOU with the Vice Chancellor, RLT Skill University with Engineering College Badmer for conducting the various programs related to the fire safety and management systems, and other are related to the mining, because we select only the courses which are physically the courses which are very essential in perspective of the Badmer district and its surrounding. So the R&D Skill University also cooperate us in different manners, and due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we are not in position to start some courses which is affiliated with the R&D Skill University, but in coming months we started, and the Badmer district youth is facilitated with these courses. The another achievement is during this COVID-19 pandemic, Our faculty are highly dedicated to deliver the online classes, taking the online classes as well as the virtual lab also. And around 500 videos are uploaded in our college website. So near about 40,000 users or more than that are view these videos. So it is very useful for the not only the student of our institutes but other institute also view these and get the benefit of the videos uploaded by our faculty members. So I am very much thankful to our faculty also because they are highly dedicated to their work and they achieve this kind of milestone as a new institutions. We are running, we have started the GATE classes also. So our faculty member keep one or two classes in a week during this pandemic time. But in future, whenever the offline classes are going on, so on we conduct the GATE classes on regular basis. So it is another kind of initiative we have taken for this. In our institute, we developed 5 smart classroom with all audio and video facilities. So every faculty member have the separate, according to the branch, we have provided the separate smart classroom. So faculty members don't have the problem to deliver the talk related to the subject assigned to them. So this kind of facility is available in our institutions. So right now we have the 2 computer labs, but we already procured some more computers to establish the new lab, computer lab in our new academic buildings. So, and the establishment of labs is going on. We placed the orders and we are in process to receive the equipments for the different labs. And in coming month, we are in position to establish every labs related to the each department. This campus is Wi-Fi and we are very much, we can say, that we are very much interested to develop this kind of facility because either Wi-Fi facility is available in the hostel, in academic block, in campus, everywhere. The institution computer department is connected with the BSNL lease line, so internet is not a issue in our campus. And the CCTV surveillance is also in progress, so we are in process to do it, but partially it is implemented, but it is implemented fully in our campus in the coming days. And modernization of library, because we are in process to procure some equipments which is helpful for doing the library management software along with some barcoding schemes. So our library is also modernized, so issuing the books is not a big problem. In the first year we provide the books and we are in process to develop another book banks in facility in the library also. So we are in process to procure some more books and not only the textbook but we procure the reference book also. The technical education government of Rajasthan, another, we have sent a proposal to declare the engineering college Barmer as a nodal agency for civil, mechanical and electrical testing work and testing and consultancy both. So we are in process to procure the equipment by which we do the civil, electrical, mechanical kind of testing in our institution for developing or for generating the revenue, and this revenue is used for create the new kind of facilities in the institutes for student as well as the faculty. The we are in process to develop a computer center either by the college fund or by some other agencies, which is another source of generating the income in our institutes by conducting the online examination not only for our student but for complete or nearby district and Badmer district students. Whatever the online examination are going on nowadays, are we are requested to the agency also, so they recognize as a center for conducting the online examination. So we are in process to develop this facility in our institute also, and we are also sending some proposal to the to start incubation centers. We try to give the training to the innovative youth to start their own business. So this kind of facility either supported by the MHRD, so we are in process to send the proposal in for the incubation center, as well as the entrepreneurship development cell. We already sent the proposal to the EDC cell Ahmedabad. So the EDC cell give the funding for organizing different kind of events for this. So this institution not only cater the need of our BTech student, but is always ready to extend the services to the society also. So we are conducting we have started the process to start the computer courses for the unemployed women in the rural areas. They may not completed their higher education due to some different kind of circumstances. So we give the opportunity to them. They come in our institutes. We and take the training of the computer related computer related skills, and after completing 1 month training in our institute, the another is subsequently 1 month training given by the JSW. After completing these two trainings, only the successful candidates got the placement in JSW, and these are a very important for the society development, because the women in the society play a very important role as far as the family is concerned as well as the society is concerned. Our society women are empowered, then our society is empowered also. So we take the initiative in this regard, but due to the COVID-19 situation, we are unable to perform it. So whenever this situation becomes normal, then we are ready to do it. The another is we are trying to organize the skill-based program for Badmer and nearby districts to for unemployed youth to get the training in different courses like the repair and maintenance of the home appliance, electrical appliances, as well as the mobile repairing. So we conduct such kind of courses to give some kind of training to our unemployed youth, so they start their own work and do work independently. Whatever support they want from us, we are always ready to extend it. And we are in process to develop the resource center, and we are preparing this proposal to the MHRD to develop a resource center. Engineering College Badmer recognized as a resource center. So every students which are doing their degree or diploma or higher education come in our institute, explore the possibility of the literature and anything, either journals or either books. So we try to create such kind of facility in our institute, so everybody get benefited from this resource center. Then we in our institute we have the hostel facilities where RO facility is available. What drinking water is not a issue in our institute. The hygienic food is catered in the hostel because it's a cooperative mess facility is available. And for the sports activities, because for the overall development of the students, we give the theoretical as well as the practical exposure during the curriculum, BTech curriculum, but sports play a very important role in this. So we are in process to develop the basketball court facility in our institute, and we are initiate the process, so we complete in the coming days. And volleyball ground facilities, badminton court is already available with us, and cricket facility, because we whatever the necessary things required for the cricket game we provide to the students, and table tennis facility is also provided in the related to the sports. And gym facility is available, but some modernized equipment we are in process to procure, like some electrical based equipments is needed in our gym, so we are in process to procure it. So thank you. And whenever you come in institutes, we interact regularly and we take the feedback from you, and we are continuously doing the efforts day and night with our team to reach this engineering college Bardmer new heights. Thank you.